Slow. Are you even in? Make sure you're in there. Sometimes you gotta cock it a little bit to the yep. All right, don't go so far on that one. Start on this one. Nope, don't hold it that way. Don't hold it that way. Hold it. Don't cover that. You can't cover that. How you gonna cover it? Nope, you're not following directions. Fingers here. There you go. Too fast, too fast, too fast. Slow it down. You're not in. You're not in. Good job. Still loose. You got a lot of little ways to go. Go to the other side. Go to the other side. Slow. Make sure you're connected. There you go. All right, wobble it and see what it feel like. Okay, get in there. All right, other side. A little fast, a little fast. Yeah, there you go. Should be good. Try it. What it feel like? Good. Other side need to be tightened up a little more. Make sure it's connected. Make sure it's in. There you go. Oh. You don't have to hold it now because it's already stable. So, yep. All right, now test it. See what it feel like. Oh, still a little wobbly. Got a little more you can go. Nope, go to the other side. Yep, that side. Yep, just make sure it's connected. No, yeah, it ain't gonna move. Nope, you're not in. Yeah, make sure it's connected. Nope. Come from an angle. Come from the other angle. So right here, let me show you. Show you.